Oke, bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hey guys, welcome back with me Izzy and Muhammad Izzy guys area di channel. In this video, I will give you tutorial again and again. In this video, we design the Gym app, mobile app. No apps. Gym app display. Okay. Step 1, we add the frame iPhone 11 Pro Max, and then we fit in rig design. Okay, after that we add the ruler 20 20 one again, and in top, remember, just 20. After that we make the ellipse or cycle like this, and we add the text. The text is random, but in this video I copy the text. I copy the word train your body for 30 days. After that we change the font. This is Sophia Pro and the thickness is bold. We search Sophia Pro. If you don't have, you can download in Google, and bold. After that the size is 45 like this, and we place in this, and we drag to left like this. You can follow my step. After that we make the rectangle. Nice. Add some thickness like this, and then we add the radius is 7, and we change the path stroke or opacity is 50, and we open the plugin Iconify. We write search, and we pick one. I pick this, import icon, and we add icon to in frame like this. And maybe very bigger, and we copy the color with this like this. After that we make text again, arm muscle training, and we change the size 15, and we change the thickness to regular. We copy the color like this, and we fit the middle, fit it in the middle like this, and we click the ellipse or cycle. We open the plugin UI Fast. If you don't have this plugin, you can search in this browse plugin community. You open the UI Fast, and we check all. No, not all. You can follow my step. Apply avatar. We wait, and after that the image can yes, like this. You can just wait. After that we make the text again, wiggle, and the thickness we change the semi-bold, just like this, and we make the cycle again. Nice. Maybe we need rule like this. And we copy the cycle 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and we select all. After that we click the disrupt horizontal spacing like this, and then we select 5 cycle, we add the stroke, we delete the fill, and we copy the color like this, and we add the thickness 3, 2, maybe 2, sorry. After that we click to cycle this, and we copy the color, and we open the plugin Iconify again, we insert checklist, and we pick one, pick this import icon. After that we double click in icon, and we delete the paper like this, just checklist. After that we put the frame and we fit it in the middle cycle, and we change the color to white. We add the size some bigger like this. After that we copy this, nice, and we add the number in 5 cycle, three. We copy the color, yes, the size is 20. We fit this in the middle like this, and then maybe add some size 25, yes. We copy the number, we change to 4, and we copy to all, we change to 5, and we fit this in the middle, 6, 7, yes, like this. After that we search the image, and this I after prepare, and we make the rectangle, yes. After that we change the color to black, and we change the path stroke or the opacity to 50%, like this. And then we open the plugin Iconify again, and we search Muscle. We pick this, import the icon, we fit this to the frame. We right click and flip horizontal or shift H. We change the stroke to 2 like this, and then we copy the color, or maybe in this, no, just fill. Okay, I'm sorry. Nice. And then we copy the icon, we select all, we click this through horizontal spacing, we fit this and like this, maybe some little size. We change the stroke to 1 or 1.5. Nice. After same, we make the text, we write full body, we copy the size 30, and after that we add the thickness to bold like this. We fit in this place, and then we add the text again. We write 7x for challenge like this. This is bigger. Nice. And we copy the size 15, enter. The thickness is semi bold. Okay, semi bold, and we fit this in the down full body text like this, maybe nice. And then we create the rectangle, we fit this into middle, we add the radius 100 like this, and we change the color, we to this, and the change pass through to 15% or 17 maybe, wait 18, sorry, 18. Just like this, and then you can copy, we put on this like this, and we add the pass-through to 100%. We copy the color, yes, and we add the effect, we change to layer blur, we add 5. After that, yes, 5 layer blur. Oh, just for don't worry, it's okay. And we add the text, 23 day left. We copy the size 10, the thickness is regular. Nice. We fit this and this one. To that we copy the text and we change the word is 18%. wait percent, yes, like this. So that we copy the image again, and we copy this icon. Oh yeah, maybe we make the rectangle first. we change the color to black, and we change the password to 15. Yeah, this is not same. After that, we copy the icon and we add to layer to up. After that, we change this to icon, we change the color to this, we copy the color. Okay, so that we add the text chess beginner, we copy the size 20 and the thickness is bold. Yes, like this. Nice. So that we copy one again. Oh, sorry. After that, we copy this rectangle. We fit in the middle, and then we copy the icon, and we up to up high layer, and we change this color. Oh, this fill, I'm sorry. After that, we copy this text, we send to front, we change the beginner to intermediate. Yes, like this. Okay, after all step, this is a finished step. Okay, maybe that's all for me. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. If you any suggestion or opinion, you can write in comment column. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Goodbye.